This design is a hibiscus flower, and it feels a little more intensive. I guess we'll see if the time will show that. But it's a really popular one too, and works well for tropical parties like Hawaii parties. So let's see how long it takes us. So I'm actually using a warm cake. This is a kind of a modified Mexico cake. I've also used Sydney with it, with really good results. So like tropical colored cake. Okay, so I'm going to let it really well. I'm going to start right here at the corner. And the hibiscus petals, you kind of want to have that middle lobe come out. And you also want to leave a little bit of airspace. So don't overfill, because we're going to fit some leaves in there. Okay, and sometimes I'll add glitter now. While it's still wet. Okay, and then I'll get Topo or another leaf color. And these leaves are going to be a little more dramatic. They're going to be a little larger. So we're going to start right here. Make quite big leaves. And then if you have to get around the flower, just fill in with your tip of your brush. And then just follow the curve. Let's fill in with some little leaves too. Okay, and then the secret tip of the angle brush to make it a full design. Okay. So that's full 2 minutes just for the base. And then if you wanted to finish this off, you would load a lighter color like a light yellow or your white. And you put the little stalk of the flower in there. While you've got it loaded, you can add some stars. Some magic. Okay, so it is taking me a little while. That was almost 3 minutes just with that. And then usually, what I like to do though, is to add a little drama with some black outlining. So I use a nice fine brush like a number 2 or number 3. You can come in here and I just flick in between each of those separations. And don't be precious with this, okay? You want it to look kind of raggedy and scalloped, I guess would be a good term for it. And same with the leaves, you just kind of wiggle. Don't be too precious with them. And then I add just a few little, if I still have the paint, add a few little black dots on the leaves. And that's a hibiscus flower. That took 4 minutes and 12 seconds, so that's not a real line buster, but it sure is a popular one on my menu.